So slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Slope is going to be our steepness of a line. And then that's also describing our shape. It's going to be a line. So whenever we use that form or talk about that form, we're talking about a line. M is representative of our slope, and number 5b would be our y-intercept. Whenever we're writing an equation, x and y need to always be in the equation. And the y-intercept is where a graph crosses the y-axis. And we will use that on the second video. I'm going to make this into 2 videos just to keep them a little shorter. So now if we're looking at our equation, again, we're looking at that y equals mx plus b. It is commutative, so we could have y equals b plus mx. That happens too sometimes when we're writing them. One is easier than the other. I'm telling you my slope is -1. So I need a -1x that can't be a and can't be d. B doesn't, and C, neither one of them have a -1x, but just know that -1x can be shortened to just -x. And then my y-intercept is +4, so that would be C. Number 9, when I'm looking for that slope of -6, I can just look whatever's in front of the x, and the only one that has that is D. You're going to try the other 2, and then go ahead and check the answers with the answer key at the end. The next one's 12 through 17. You're really looking at identifying what is the slope. So number 12, my slope is -1.5. I do not write the x down when I'm writing the slope, just the number in front of it, or what we'd call the coefficient. B would be equal to 0 because there's no other numbers on there. So 13, look at that 4x plus 6, and your slope should be 4. Hopefully you were thinking that. And your y-intercept is 6. Let's look at 16. This is in this form, y equals b plus mx. And I know that because 10 doesn't have the x to it. So 10 is my y-intercept. And that means that my slope is going to be that -2. So make sure that you're pulling that whole piece out. So try the other ones, check them with the answer key, and then watch that second video for the graphing part.